Since 1951, Flextool has been a market leader in the supply of quality concrete and construction equipment. Flextool offers a full lineup of products to help you complete the job from start to finish, including a comprehensive range of concrete power screeding equipment. The portable and lightweight design of the Flextool Portascreed Series 3 means it's easy to transport and move around the job site. There is no special assembly of the handle and engine section required. Simply adjust the handle to your height, connect an extrusion blade that suits your job, and it's ready to go. The spring-loaded heavy-duty kickstand makes refueling straightforward and safe, whilst also keeping the engine and handle off the ground when not in use. High-frequency vibration across the entire width of the extrusion blade allows the Portascreed to deliver accurate and high-quality screeding that is much faster than traditional hand screeding methods. The unique Flextool Portascreed extrusion blade profile cuts, folds and levels the concrete, whilst navigating obstacles is made easy with the rounded blade ends. The lightweight FPS 3 model has been optimised to improve operator comfort, with handle vibration isolators to reduce vibration transfer, engine protection bar and padded lifting handles. The Flextool Portascreed is fitted with a Honda GX35 4-stroke engine for hassle-free operation and low engine emissions. The Portascreed engine has a side discharge exhaust directing engine fumes away from the operator, further improving operator comfort and safety.